Welcome to my review of Vera Control, a smart home automation hub designed to connect and manage a variety of smart devices. If you're considering this platform, stick around as I go through the features, performance, and my personal experience using it. Vera Control supports multiple protocols, including Z-Wave, Zigbee, and Wi-Fi, allowing you to integrate a wide range of devices into a single system. One of its biggest selling points is flexibility. Whether you have smart locks, thermostats, or security cameras, Vera aims to unify them under one dashboard. Setting it up is fairly straightforward, but I did run into some connectivity hiccups during installation, especially with certain third-party Zigbee devices. The interface itself is functional but feels slightly outdated compared to some competitors. One of the areas where Vera Control shines is its local processing capabilities. Unlike cloud-dependent smart hubs, Vera allows for more secure and faster automation execution, which is great if you're concerned about privacy or internet reliability. However, the mobile app experience is inconsistent. While the web interface offers more advanced customization options, the app can be sluggish and occasionally unresponsive, which is frustrating when you need to quickly adjust settings. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Givemeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Now, let's talk about automation. Vera allows for custom scenes and schedules, but the learning curve is steeper than I expected. If you're tech-savvy, you'll appreciate the control it provides, but for beginners, it might be overwhelming. Compared to other smart home hubs, like Cubitat or SmartThings, Vera's automation capabilities are solid, but not the most user-friendly. Another thing to note is device compatibility. While Vera boasts support for thousands of devices, some integrations require additional tweaking, and not all products work seamlessly out of the box. I found myself troubleshooting device connections more often than I would with other platforms. Customer support is decent, but response times vary, and some issues require community forum assistance. In terms of pricing, Vera Control offers a one-time purchase model rather than a subscription-based system, which is a plus. However, the lack of major updates in recent years makes me question long-term viability. If you're looking for a budget-friendly local processing smart home hub with decent security and automation features, it's worth considering. But if you want a more polished user experience with a smoother app and broader out-of-the-box compatibility, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, Vera Control is a mixed bag. It's powerful and flexible, but not the easiest system to set up and maintain. If you're willing to put in the effort to fine-tune it, you can build a reliable smart home setup. However, if you want something more plug-and-play, other options might suit you better. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more smart home tech reviews. Let me know in the comments what your experience with Vera Control has been.